Another big game. The Continental Club Masters. Omu returning to fear for the first time. Yeah, how our supporters no be reacting to House the Folk airborne first game. Fear House the Folk at the gate post aba. Na nyame adoma House Martin Sunday. Omini Nsoatreman enable. Popular stand Justice Modi no 20 Ghana cedi. Center line 40 Ghana cedi. Lower VIP 60 Ghana cedi. Upper VIP 80 Ghana cedi. And a VVIP 100 Ghana cedi. Yes, has a tenica. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Has the folk in the first game. Fie Namiyaduma Sunday. Sika has the folk edgy. Fie for the first game. No. Namiyaduma Sunday has the folk players. Has the folk players. No. Ebezibiti beautiful football. Supporters be enjoy beautiful football. Namiyaduma Sunday. Accra Sports Stadium. Omni my friend say Nsoatre and na able.
Because you hear inside or house of folk. She inside. The scene is a venue. Our RTU, Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium. A very difficult gun of late. Edema omo. Eno menti mi anreni. Asa. That is the only thing I see your house. But she inside. Kasara wa net or a set. Koopman Akasa. Be ready for the match.
104.9 FM.
And it's very good people are talking about the psychological barrier. Maxwell Konadu ewo over House of Folk. But this time around, he is coming to meet a different House of Folk. He is coming to play against a House of Folk, the high spirit. Ewo. They have gone away, losing to Team FN RTU, coming to play in front of their numerous supporters at Accra Sports Stadium. Camp news, positive. Coach now casa beautiful football and our promise supporters in a charge for action. Nsoatreman omunyina yi. Nothing has changed. Clearly I see House of Folk dismantling this Nsoatreman game.
Hey,
that is how I see it.
104.9 FM.
I'm bet 3 goals. Three goals.
How much is what more?
Me say.
Etna.
Because he mark it on the wall. You ever try how man did the uncle? It's not messing up repeated the same statement.
Say, has machines what more.
It's a very good thing Maxwell Konadu na dio moba. And has Asia Maxwell Konadu at the right time. This is the right moment for House of Folk to punish Maxwell Konadu over the record of This is the right time. This is the right moment. This is the time for the Phobians.
104.9
So I urge
FM.
the supporters, like the soundbite now, boy, you know, say, make catch them say they should go to Accra Sports Stadium. Fill the park to capacity. The boys can do it.
Maxwell Konadu so be invading crime.
No, come on.
There be one of the Okase house away you.
Me say, quasi.
Or the Legon City sky the same thing has in Manchester.
Quasi me. Me say.
Or because you be invading baby. Yeah, you so flavor.
Or like a wounded lion.
Say Russia for you. Russia for invade Ukraine for you. Where does the football no be invade?
Fantastic.
Oh, I'm crying.
Odo ma omunfa basis be brain no mu invade. Okwatare no mo ense. Fa bibia amra. Critically, so naturally, now we have matches at House of Folk about pre-season, you know, and one of the analysis against RTU there. But I'm telling you, me say, House we're going to play against RTU and nobody took the time to analyze on pre-season, you know. And it's the reason why I'm surprised you.
It's also a good pre-season.
Fantastic.
And almost financial, we are strong.
And two teams that had a very good pre-season. And I see House of Folk meeting Maxwell Konadu at the right time.
Match will lose one.
And they will
lose.
And House will never lose. House will never even draw that game.
Hey.
Me say, because he mark it on the wall, it will never happen. House has about 3 goals to score.
Chenano.
Wow player be say go.
Kasara.
What the batum? Get me say.
Maxwell Konadu.
Me say Maxwell Konadu back.
Me say. Even to score 3 goals against Maxwell Konadu no. Maybe who's a bad.
You see, even to score one, but I see has beaten them.
Coach,
the record are set to be broken, and I've see clearly. Let's mark it up.
What time has
so what's your better than all can?
Oh,
he's going to invade.
Oh, and crying. Easy. Obia oni Maxwell Konadu be any say.
Time has so from coach mansion.
Where say?
Some obodu nya
I get it, but me say mark my words. I am not underrating Nsoatreman. Oh, I am not. Me underrating Omo. They have qualities. I just only had opportunity to have Nsoatreman team. No, very Richard Akrofi. They have a very good team. Very good.
Me say to one Maxwell Konadu ko invading kan. What about
you see the invasion there? Me say they can.
No, go do asaway. Your time was Konadu ko has better.
Mate.
I'm powerful.
Oh, me say.
Tough match.
Especially coach na do mo ko nti mi game no ehuma
me
and a pressure has to
yes to deliver.
Oh, of course.
And the pressure be ba so no.
That is football. When you are playing at home, naturally the pressure kakra be ba.
Na afei
how to call you first game. How an expectation is because the start of the season no. Next expectation is say how I
fantastic.
Now Kolusu go or Kolusu by 1-0.
What they say?
Now ball first game will feel pressure
to
win.
I agree.
Pressure to win.
Yes,
now against the coach I win send that.
Fantastic.
Match na no dey.
Utranye ye na kote fa so say kima.
You see, before clearly ubenya the confidence to talk about House of Folk, make me akasa omo ko win no. Clearly na manya opportunity to analyze their mentality. Yes, I understand they lost to RT, but I like the mental agony of team a friend House of Folk players. No, it's because if them who say it's forgone and conclusion for team a friend House of Folk against Nsoatreman.
The TNE psychologically, Maxwell Konadu abenya that kind of nod no over House of Folk. And what TNE kasa ye mu krampo na what say psychologically because from one All Stars. Asante Kotoko. Accra. From one All Stars. Asante Kotoko. Legon Cities. House of Folk ain't me share Maxwell Konadu. Tiadieni yo. From one All Stars. Asante Kotoko. Ana Afe. Legon Cities. House of Folk ain't me share Maxwell Konadu.
101.9 FM.
A developer idea be best supporters ni mu say coach wo the intimation because at a point and the coach a friend na eye Samuel Bodu kura no be any so oh House of Folk form ne they will beat coach a friend na eye Maxwell Konadu by still na no mentimi ase no e ka be kira wo say wo ye club na wo kosia a certain coach na say coach no psychologically no or that kind of mental strength over you are. Please, put fear be on your supporters. So coming Sunday, me perceive me how House of Folk will bounce back psychologically over coach your friend Maxwell Konadu because House can't beat Maxwell Konadu. In any ground to be able to me how House of Folk players, House of Folk technical team, House of Folk management, House of Folk supporters will bounce back over Maxwell Konadu. Say psychological threat. A House of Folk are they going to survive over Maxwell Konadu? It's one thing I make here. So your first game now, it was a beautiful game. They won by 2-0 against Club FN Bechem. It was a difficult game. Very difficult. By Sanano, Maxwell Konadu a very good technical brain with Tim Nyandawe no. It's one particular gamer. Nyame ya aduma. Prince Menibe ko hu ye pa. House of Folk against Maxwell Konadu. Not House of Folk against Nsoatreman. No, but House of Folk against Maxwell Konadu. Who is going to win? Maxwell Konadu be timi and maintaining that kind of psychological nod no. I want you over House of Folk nana. And that's for the first time. House of Folk is going to break the jinx over Maxwell Konadu. And as usual, Aluta will continue unabated. It's one very game. Interest.
Yes, House of Folk. I can't just gate fee 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 promotion for the game and send Philip Abem. Pesa kan say so much way has to folk to me mama abedru point to say the National Sports Authority and near Bino and ministry in the house of folk me drew point to say match on magic gate fee on magic scout gate me don't take it oh gate you take it in Nkoso Bams abeton take it to gate and they say oh you fan out stadium oh you take it in what to do between the room only be so has a gate yes and on it is a free as I mean too